Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now. But I will.
And hello, good timers. It is Vegas Eve, and we are actually right now at the Portland Jetport. Simone is in there right now actually weighing our bag. She's got it loaded with all kinds of stuff, and we suspect that it might actually be over 50 pounds. So what we decided to do, and this is a little insider tip, is we get to the airport a day early, we weigh all of our bags, and then if we have to take crap out of it, then we can do that the day before so we don't get tied up in the morning right before our flight. So she's also going to print the tickets while she's in there, I hope. And yeah, so that way we'll be all set to go tomorrow morning. Here comes Miss America with the baggage report. Did we make it, Pickles?
50.5, and he says that we don't count the half.
50.5, and he rounded down. All right.
He rounded
so
down.
it's 49.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And I might use a little shampoo tonight, so that might bring it up.
I was just gonna say, but what about the person tomorrow morning that says the opposite?
We could take the shoes out or something.
All right, yeah, we might have to take the shoes out just to be on the safe side.
Yeah.
And all right, guys, here we are at the DoubleTree, and Simone's got her
DoubleTree cookies.
DoubleTree cookies.
These are good.
That's the only reason why we stay here. No, actually, it's a pretty nice room too, as you can see, guys. Actually, it's a really nice room.
And there's just Starbucks.
We are on the top, one of the top floors, the 7th floor. Nice city view, and the city of Portland isn't the most beautiful. This part of South Portland, this is South Portland actually. And some kind of strange sticker on the thing, I don't know. It's not mine.
No.
We should put one up there. We should put a Goodtimes production sticker right on the window. They'd love that.
No.
No? Okay. But yes, right beside a Starbucks, right beside a Chipotle, right across from the mall. Everything you ever wanted right here at the DoubleTree. And good morning, guys. We are here at the Portland Jetport waiting on our flight. It is approximately 4:20 a.m. and we have been awake for, at least I've been awake for a few hours now actually. Simone slept a little bit better than I did last night, but we are waiting on our flight. Leaves here at 6 a.m. We're supposed to board here in about an hour, so Starbucks is closed, so Simone's gonna have to suffer here for a little while longer until Starbucks opens. She's hoping.
I'm gonna take a stroll.
She hoping it opens at 5 so she can get herself a coffee. But if not, it might be a long morning here for Pickles. So yeah, we are heading off to Vegas here shortly. Got a layover in Charlotte first, and then it's off to Vegas. Should be in Vegas a little bit after noon time, and obviously we can't wait. So we'll see you in Vegas.
Welcome to Las Vegas.
And we are here. Welcome to sunny Las Vegas.
There's gotta be rainbow out there.
Remember, it never rains in Las Vegas. Never. Hey guys, so quick update. We've been sitting on this plane now for almost an hour because there's been rain and lightning in Las Vegas, which very seldom happens, but just our luck. Land, rain and lightning. And we're still sitting here. We'll be in Vegas eventually. See ya. Alright guys, finally made it off the plane. Hour and a half later. We've got some special limo drivers waiting for us down in baggage claim though, so we're trying to hustle down there as much as we can because they've been waiting for quite a while, but we got our own special limo lined up. We'll show you the limo drivers here in just a minute. All right guys, now we gotta search out baggage claim 15. Looks like it's probably all the way down at the very end, of course. Oh, here's my favorite limo drivers. Whoa, hey, I thought she was gonna hug me. Oh, hey. Hey man, thanks for waiting. Sorry you had to wait so friggin' long, but... Yeah, I know. Hey. Thanks for waiting. Sorry we held you guys up.
We have nothing.
I know. Your shit gets delayed one more time.
I know.
Picking your sorry ass up again.
Yeah.
But it's good to see you.
I know. Keno's such a good limo driver. He's even bringing our bags for us. So he waited for us for an hour and a half. Now he's carrying our bags. Keno Kid, he's the best. I highly suggest Keno Kid as your limo driver for all your Vegas trips. Hopefully he remembers where he parked the limo. All right, guys, so the limo driver decided to come upstairs and join us in the room, I guess. Just going a little bit above and beyond, but I may need some help showering, so.
You have a long hallway too.
You get a little bit more bang for your
Yes, a little bit more bang for my buck.
Oh, wait, no, I went the wrong way.
What?
Wait,
Okay.
that way?
She's done this before in past vlogs. I don't know if you know that.
No, it said 51 over here. No, yeah, I guess.
This way? Okay, all right. Thank God the ladies are here.
That looks probably no. Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one that we should have had, right. I didn't tip her the 20 though.
Oh, that's right. You should have like tried that. We tried it
Try
once.
tipping her the 20? Yeah, we might have been able to get that one.
This is not. You got a dishwasher?
Oh yeah.
And a microwave?
It does have a dishwasher.
Dishes in there?
See what the view is though. Where's the button?
Button? Is there a
That's the button.
Yeah, should be a button for it. Right here. Shades up. What do we got? Anything decent?
I was actually thinking.
Oh, that's pretty decent.
So you look towards the signature.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, there you go. That's not bad at all.
I like
That's
it.
better than quite often what we get.
We're getting ready to head over to 9 Fine Irishmen. We're going to have dinner with the Frontiersmen Travel Adventurers. And then later tonight, it's going to be Cinnamon's group pull over at the SAHARA. So we will head in that direction right now. Okay, guys, finally made our way out to the strip, heading in the direction of the monorail. Got a bang here from Keno Kid, so thanks, Keno Kid. And yeah, heading over to meet Walt and Tina. So guys, no matter how tired you are, even if you're only working on 3 hours of sleep, tripping over your feet like I just did, something about these Vegas lights and sounds just kind of wakes you up pretty damn quickly, so still gotta love Vegas. All right, guys, finally made our way into 9 Fine Irishmen here. Gonna get the best seat in the house. Right in the corner table because he was bad.
Is it alright if I sit back there?
Yeah, help yourself, yep. Wherever you want to sit, as long as it's not on my lap. All right, guys, so we got the Irish nachos to start the night here, and that is a beer cheese sauce drizzled over some fresh sliced potatoes, a little bit of green onion on top there, and some really tasty looking corned beef. So we've had this lots of times before, and we love this. It's one of our favorite dishes over here in Vegas.
Old fashioned for an old fashioned guy like me.
That's right.
And what we do is we get rid of the straw.
Yeah, because we ain't classy like that. Real frontiersmen don't use straws.
Right.
That's right.
That's a good old fashioned. I mean, one more drink.
Good old fashioned for the good old frontiersman.
Not bad, not bad,
Yeehaw.
not bad.
All right, guys, we're gonna dig into this burger. We got it keto style, so no bun on there. Normally it'll come with a potato bun, but this is the signature burger. Actually, I think it's the only burger on the menu, but we got it medium well. It's got some bacon on there, some Irish cheddar, caramelized onions, obviously some tomato. Yep, nice sharp cheese. Burger's cooked perfect. Good flavor from the grill. Little smokiness to it. I like it. Very good. These fries look nice and crispy too. Oh yeah, perfect. Great to dip in the beer cheese sauce from the nachos.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Very good. All right, guys, we just finished up over at 9 Fine Irishman. It was as good as it always is. So we are heading now to the monorail and heading down to the Sahara for Cinnamon's group pull. All right, guys, so we dropped Walt and Tina off at the Harrah's. Now we are over here at SLS/Sahara/SLS, whatever the hell they're calling it today. But gonna head on down to the casino and meet up with Sin and the rest of the gang for the group pull. It's Ace of Vegas. How you doing, Eric?
Hey, dog, how you been?
Good to see you, man. Good to see you.
How you doing?
What time did you get in town? Yesterday? Nice. All right, where's the money, honey? Oh, Jesus! Oh my God! Oh my God! It's the cross-dressing Bobby G. Bobby, I actually saw you walk by me. I was seeing it over by the men's room, and I wasn't positive because you weren't in your outfit yet. So, holy shit!
I saw you.
You know what's scary, man, is you still look sexier than Matrix. That's great.
It would be fun. Wouldn't be on. Let's see it. Get out.
He's probably infected this machine already.
He did.
Bobby G, come here.
Robin!
I need some good luck.
I need a bomb right now.
All right, now I'm ready.
I don't get that. Wait, hold on. 2 seconds. Wait.
I'm second Michael. All right. Not bad. It's good warm up.
I feel like Bobby G needs, Cinnabon needs to rub her booty
Maybe that was it, yeah.
over the machine.
Hold on. All right, here we go. Take time.
Take one of them out, rub it on the screen.
Yeah.
Get him in there.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go, Melba.
Come on, everybody good. Let's keep the trap.
3 more.
All right. 2 more now. Motorboat! That's right.
So did it.
Get in there, Bobby.
Booty, motherfucker.
Come on! Fill it up!
That's what she said.
Come on! Alright. Yeah! Gotta grab him again! Yellow one!
Do it. Drop it in now, drop it in.
Hold on, Jason!
Drop it in.
Woo! Alright, Brandon!
He's working.
Alright! Yeah! Alright, Brandon! Alright!
Now what?
Alright!
Oh, you want my tail?
Yeah! Alright!
Hey, wait, right here.
Yeah! Alright!
my god.
That didn't work.
He's just trying to throw it.
So Bob and Jason work.
This is on.
You're welcome.
You're flat chested. No.
I am
Oh,
not.
sorry.
You know what?
Now squeeze over. There's nothing to rub.
Do it.
Oh my God.
This will be the last one.
Rub the boob. Oh no, he's winning here. Not mine.
Get away!
Good bonus. Good bonus.
What's that? Oh, my going? Yep, it's going.
What do we think about that?
Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a
I got little snippets. Jeez.
Alright, you got more?
Oh, there you go. Oh my goodness.
How's your heart feeling, Andy?
Needs the nitro. He needs the nitro.